guys, what is up? It is Tiff. I like forget how to YouTube. Is that a thing? Like, it's been so long since I've sat down to film a video. I moved twice. Still kind of playing around with the background. I don't really know where I'm gonna want to start filming at. This is kind of just like something that I schluck together because today we are unboxing none other than the 2020 Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box. Oh yeah. Now there's been a lot of debate over these. Jeffree, when he first announced he was making another mystery box for Valentine's Day, he said, I'm gonna redeem myself. These are gonna be the best mystery boxes yet. He promised that he was gonna do some tweaking to the website, that it was gonna be a smoother transaction. They disabled Afterpay for the first 2 hours to hopefully ease up the traffic and make it a little more smoother to go on and check out. We're gonna talk about that. Actually, let's just first talk about the shopping experience on Jeffree Star Cosmetics website. Jeffree, we need to talk, sis. Shopify. It does not work. It needs to go. Like, come on. How many launches do we have to see Shopify fail for you to actually go and make just a complete new website? Like, doesn't Jeffree Star make enough money to have his own funding for a website? Like, I'm just kind of confused. It's time to break up with Shopify. I'm sorry to say it, but like, Jeffree Star has such a large following that whenever he releases a line of products, everybody goes crazy. The internet goes crazy. Shopify completely fails every time. Like, it never fails. I was like, oh, okay, this time it's gonna be better. No, honey, no. So I logged on, you know, and it's not my first Jeffree Star rodeo. I know how it goes. Things go quick. He drops a time for a reason. You need to be on the website 10 minutes before that time, logged in, ready to go. I had 3 phones lined up. I had my phone, my mom's phone, my friend's phone, all logged into my account, ready to go. I added the Sherpa to my cart because I really wanted to get that one, the pink one. That one fine. I picked my size, A-okay. I went to add the box. The box. First of all, I wanted to get the Supreme box. That was the biggest box that he had. The drop-down arrow would not let you select your box. It just would not work. I sat there on all 3 phones, clicked, it wouldn't work. So finally it worked and the drop-down arrow went. By the time it worked, the Supreme boxes were gone, naturally, because it took forever. So I'm like, okay, we'll do the deluxe. That's medium size. I'm okay with that. So I went on. You add the deluxe box to your cart, then you can't pick a size. So I'm sitting there fighting with 3 different phones, trying to just select anything that would let it work, anything that would let me check out. Like, I don't care what size, large, extra large, medium, small, nothing. It wouldn't let you select anything. So finally I was like, whatever, I'm gonna add the premium. That was the smallest box. That was the one that was automatically on. I added that to my cart, went to check out, and I get this message. This is the message that popped up when I went to check out with the conspiracy palette. And it says, oh, hold on, we're saving your spot in line, don't refresh. We'll be able to check you out shortly. So I'm waiting, and then finally it brings me back to my cart. But what does it tell me? That the Sherpa is sold out. So obviously that's a lie. When it says we're saving your spot in line, they obviously didn't, because it's sold out. So then I went ahead, purchased the premium box super fast, checked out, went back onto the website to try to make more purchases. By that point, other stuff started selling out, and there wasn't really anything else in the Valentine's Day collection that I really wanted. I really wanted the Supreme box and the Sherpa. So when I couldn't get either, I just defaulted to the smallest box and thought, you know, something is better than nothing. So that is what we are going to be doing today, is unboxing this mystery box. Jeffree's like floating in his yacht right now in Bora Bora, drinking his Red Bull from his straw that's made out of diamonds and his enemy's tears. Like, he doesn't care right now because he sold them all, and you know, it's just another day in the business. Every time the whole collection sells out, so you know, it is what it is. We'll probably be dealing with Shopify, you know, for the rest of our lives, so a lot more disappointment on the way. Okay, so let's get into the reason that you clicked on this video, and that is to see what's inside this box. Now, I know I'm a little bit behind. I'm on the opposite side of the world from California, so it takes a little bit longer for it to get to me. So it literally just got here like less than an hour ago, and I'm like, okay sis, let's go. Like, I knew it was coming today. I did a full beat. So I went ahead and saved you the trouble of watching me struggle trying to get this open, and I pre-cut it. So, pre-cut it. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. Look at it. It's all red and Valentine's Day-y. Stop. The first thing I see on top. It's a beanie. Now, okay, so I did peek at the other boxes. I didn't look at any of the premium because that's what I got. I was like, no, I need to be surprised. It was really freaking hard, but I saw that the medium-sized box, or was it the large? I think it was the deluxe box, came with a ball cap. It was a Jeffree Star ball cap, and I'm not a ball cap girl, so maybe it's just me, but I didn't think it was real cute. But I love beanies, and it's red. Oh, and it's got his little, oh, it's so cute. Oh, I'm obsessed. Yes, girl. Okay. Okay, next up we have something else wrapped in tissue paper. No, we don't. It's nothing. It's simply tissue paper. Moving on to the next product. The gloss. Okay, so I think that this is an exclusive item because it is in red packaging and his other glosses are not. So this is in the shade Succulent, and let's see what this baby looks like. I'm excited. Ooh, yes. This is so pretty. It's like a baby pink color, and the shimmers in it are also pink. Shocker. That is freaking gorgeous. Yes. It smells like the rest of his glosses, and it's this nice, like, cupcakey smell. I almost said flavor. Don't eat this, kids. Ah! It's so pretty. So it actually has a little bit of like a almost like blue shift to it. I'll let you guys see it. So next up in the box, don't peek, I think I know what that is this pop socket. Now, I feel like he's been putting pop sockets in all of his mystery boxes, which is okay. I got the first mystery box and the Halloween box. The Halloween box didn't end up having a pop socket in. I got the smallest one. But the first mystery box he ever did had a pop socket. I put it on. The logo rubbed off really quickly. So, I mean, it's kind of cute, but it's like, can you give us something that we haven't seen before? Like, people that religiously purchase these mystery boxes, how many pop sockets can you own? Seriously, like, most of us have one phone, so unless you're a collector. Now, the last product that's in here. I might know what it is. It gives you a little bit of a hint right here. I think it's the Alien palette, which is exciting because actually the Alien palette is discontinued. He's not selling it on his website anymore, and it's being sold on like eBay and stuff for a ridiculous amount of money. Yes, it is the Alien palette. I'm not that excited because I do have this palette, but it is really cool that this box was $60 and you get like a limited edition makeup palette. That's pretty cool. I'll show you the one that I have so I don't have to open that. So this is what the Alien palette looks like. It's pretty cool. It's got like a fake leather feel to it. It's got these eyeballs which kind of like are 3D. Open it up and these are the colors that come inside. A nice mirror. That is Dirty. She is well used and loved, everybody. So it really is a pretty palette, but like I said, I already have it. But it is nice though, because it's a palette that you can't buy anymore. So to get it in a mystery box for $60 with all this other stuff, it's pretty cool. That is everything I got in this mystery box. We have the beanie, we have the Alien palette, we have the pop socket, and we have the special edition gloss. Bottom line, I am super happy with this box. I mean, honestly, I've had worse. It just seemed like the products that came in the first mystery boxes were kind of things that he couldn't sell, that were kind of just like sitting and like wasting space. So he was like, okay, we'll just give them away and won't tell people that they're getting it and they'll spend money on it. So I think that his boxes really have improved, honestly. Now, I do know from peeking at other people's unboxing videos that all the Supreme boxes came with the Mini Breaker palette, which is kind of sneaky because yes, it is a beautiful palette, but you just gave these away in the Halloween mystery boxes. So why are you gonna throw that into another? He must like have overproduced these, or like not a lot of people bought them, because he's giving these away like candy, like free candy from a van. Like, hey kid, you want some candy? Here's a breaker palette. Like, now don't get me wrong, I love Jeffree Star. I really, really do. I support all of his launches, even though I can't ever seem to get them because Shopify. We're not gonna go back into that topic, but I just feel like he hyped this box up to more than it really was gonna be. I know that the deluxe boxes, the medium-sized boxes, came with a Blue Blood palette, which is awesome. I would have loved to get that because I don't have it. But at the same time, he gave away the Blue Blood palette in the holiday mystery boxes, which is literally the last boxes that he gave out. So why would he throw in the same palette that he just gave away before? Like, did you overproduce Blue Blood? Like, I don't know. But I just thought that was kind of sneaky because, like, a lot of people, I'm sure I'm going to be seeing a lot of it on, like, eBay and Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace, people selling Blue Bloods because you just gave them out to people. You know, it would have been nice to see maybe, like, the Blood Sugar palette because it is red. It does go more with the theme of Valentine's Day. Blue Blood, not so much. Again, it's a beautiful palette, but at the same time, you just gave them away. Like, what are you trying to pull? So yes, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am planning on filming some more videos, getting back into the YouTube life. Super busy, but you know, I miss filming. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Go ahead and hit the like button down below and subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna be doing a lot more unboxings. I have an Ipsy bag that's on the way. Makeup videos, maybe some like recipe, health, fitness type, you know. Let me know what you wanna see. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. This is just a disgrace. You open it up, you don't drop it, and don't drop it, sis. It had the mini breaker palette, which I have right here, looking like this. I swear, it's like I greased my hands before sitting down to film this video. Oh, la 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 la. One moment. Ow. It is Golaga, like. Are you Spanish? And almost focus. What the hell? How are you even supposed to get this out? Message that popped up when? Who says that? Now my hair's gonna be messed up for the whole rest of the video. Good job, Tiffany. Way to use those brains of yours.